Father's Day po.
Happy Father's Day!
Father's Day!
Bigay ni Tita Annalyn.
You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can have. Look at me, I am old and happy. I want what's like you are now. And I know that it's not easy to become when you found something you
Bigay ni Tita yan. Bigay ni Tita. Annalyn.
think a lot. I think
Ito po ay padala ni Ate Ana Milagrosa. Ano daw po masasabi niyo sa kanyang regalo? Malasalamat po. Malasalamat.
Message mo kay Tita. Magmensahe ka daw kay Tita.
Wala akong
Dito sa video. Papadala yan kay Tita. Papadala kay Tita. Anong sasabi mo kay Tita?
Kaya sabihin malasalamat at wala nila alakan nila. Ito na po natin.